Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be an exciting one because it's one that I have not done in a while. If you guys remember, I mentioned that I was kind of like put out with unboxings that just felt like redundant or something, and then something came over me and I was like, let's get back to the basics. Like, let's get back to the excitement of seeing new things being unboxed, right? So here we are today. Now this is going to be an exciting one because it's another wish list check off, and one that I had demonstrated a great amount of self-control for getting and opening / like using. So let's go ahead and get into what we got. So of course, and this bag is a paid actor. This is actually a bag from one of my previous purchases. And okay, so we'll come back to this bag. So here's the pretty little box. This is an item that I purchased via Fashion File. So that's why I say the bag was a paid actor, because this is a bag from a previous purchase that I had. And another reason why I decided to go the pre-loved route was because look at this bag. Y'all hear this? Look, first of all, look at how it looks. First of all, it looks like a bag you get from, like, I don't know, Target. Like it is not giving Chanel quality, and this is what I received from the boutique. Maybe they're trying to be a little more eco-friendly, but this is literally paper. It used to be more of like a velvet, like a smooth type of feel. I don't know, maybe this was the last bag or they didn't have any more, but for what we spend in the store, I want my original bags. I want my original packaging for these items. So yeah, we just use that for the aesthetics, right? So this is item that I got from Fashion File. I have actually already opened this because I filmed this video before and it was a whole mess, girl. I have not worn this. It's a bag. I have not worn this bag. And I just took the tags off for the previous video. So that's how much self-control that I've had with this bag. I have not used it or worn it or really looked at it in months. I bought this months ago. Okay. So of course, here we are with it came with a dust bag. I'm not sure if it's the original dust bag, but it did come with a dust bag. And it is this little vanity case in white, and it is in caviar leather. No, this is not caviar. I said caviar. This is lambskin. Lambskin leather. I was super excited, and like my lights are totally washing it out. But I am literally like, this is the cutest little thing ever. So a little bag history. I have been looking for a mini white bag because I do have a white bag, but it is my jumbo in white, but it's not small. So whenever I want to wear it in the evening time or at night, I do wear it like that, like as like a little top handle, but it's just too big, right? So it's not really ideal for the evening time when you're going to dinner or something like that. And I wanted a white bag, a smaller white bag. This one I had my eye on this style. It was the perfect size. Y'all know I love me some gold hardware. And I just think it's so perfect. It's so versatile. Now I do have the straps doubled up here, just holding it like this, but it can be worn obviously as like a shoulder bag, a long shoulder bag, or crossbody, which makes it perfect for me on the go and with two little ones. Whenever I want to wear a bag that's like my own and not just putting my stuff in their diaper bag or their bag, I need something small and petite like this. And of course, this is great for dinner or, you know, going out somewhere at night. Of course, this is lambskin. I don't know why I want to say caviar. This is lambskin. So it is a little bit more, or considered to be a little bit more delicate. However, I use my bags, I use my items. I am cautious with them, or like careful. I'm not just like careless and throwing them around. But I'm gonna enjoy my items. But this is a leather that traditionally is a little bit more delicate. That's kind of like one of the, I guess you would say, a drawback or like a con. But it is what it is, right? Now, another thing that I offer up was like, okay, I know that this is white, so I'm concerned, or I think about color transfer with my other white bag. My jumbo is in caviar. I've not had an issue with color transfer. I do pretty much wear it with different colors against different items. I am cautious of it though, but I haven't had any issues with color transfer. So I'm hoping that to be the same thing with this one, because I do plan to wear it a lot more than my jumbo. And being as though I had in mind to wear it, you know, like crossbody, kind of on the go, I'm hoping that I don't have an issue with color transfer, which we're just gonna hope for the best, right? So the features of the bag. There is a smaller version. I think it's considered like a mini. What is that? There is a smaller version of this bag that is considered the mini. This is, I guess, like the regular size of it. It has 2 zippers. It zips around like such. And this beautiful mirror in the inside, which I think is just so perfect and so like, it speaks to the fact that it's a vanity case, but it's like a purse. So the wide mirror at the top, it is like leather. It has the traditional lipstick holder and then a slot, these slots here for card holders, which makes it just the perfect vanity handbag. It's like it has all of the features of both items, it being a vanity bag and a handbag. I just love that. I love that it has the Chanel logo at the bottom. I think that is such a cute little touch. I was a little bit like bummed out that it didn't have feet at the bottom, because it is lambskin. It's like one of those more delicate type of bags. So I kind of would have liked to have seen some little feet at the bottom, just so like when it's sitting down, it's not sitting just on a surface. But I'm okay with it, considering the style of bag. Not every bag has feet, right? Not every mini bag really has feet. So I mean, but it would have been nice to have some little ones up on the bottom of this bag. Now it does fit quite a bit. It fits the iPhone Pro, or like the regular size, as well as the Max, which I was pretty surprised by, because it doesn't seem as though it's long enough to fit a Max, but it does. With room to fit a card holder, your keys, a lip gloss, you can fit your necessities in this bag and go on about your day, and I love that. I love items that, or specifically handbags that are small, cute, and functional. You can wear them to the fullest. Like you can get all of your basic day and night necessities in this bag and go without having to be forced to carry your phone or sacrifice something because the bag or the item isn't big enough. Like, I love that. Now, I did get this bag pre-loved. It was considered right under excellent in terms of the description, and I must say it is literally right under the description. I only noticed a few little signs of wear along the top of the like edge wear, I guess you would kind of say. You can't even see it, like the camera isn't even picking it up, but there is just a tiny bit of wear, and it's so minute. Like, I feel so pretentious mentioning it, because it's so like, if you were to just look at the bag, you wouldn't even see it. You'd have to like literally like look up close to see that there's any wear on it. Like, they did a really good job, whoever had this bag first, of taking well care of it, and Fashionphile did a great job of describing it pretty well. I do notice that with Fashionphile, sometimes the items are described a little bit worse than they really are, if that makes sense, which I don't mind because I'm not expecting something in pristine condition and getting it and it's not. So I'm okay with it being over a little exaggerated in terms of description, and then when you get it, being pleasantly surprised. And that's how I feel about this bag. Like I said, most of the wear that I see is just kind of like little marks or scuffs on the corners, and I'm sure that's from it brushing up against, like, say, a wall or something like that when you're wearing it, because it does, like, you know, bulge out just a little bit. But other than that, there's not any sign. There's no color transfer. Another little feature, like little detailing that I like, is that the Chanel logo as well as the little bars here have like that quilted detailing on it, so it makes it a little bit more special, I guess. It's not just the plain gold hardware. I think it's actually on the straps as well. So yeah, it looks like it's quilted. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Let's see. You see, it looks like it's kind of quilted. So I'm nonetheless very excited about having this and wearing it. I think it's gonna fit so perfectly in my collection, and yeah, I love this for me. I plan on wearing this very soon. So guys, that is gonna be it for this little video, this unboxing of my newest little baby. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I will see you in the next video.